Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove arrows from shortcut icons in Windows 10 and 11. Alright, as you can see here we have these two icons and somehow it doesn't look very clean, so if you want to remove that, here's how to do it. So we go over to registry editor and we're going to be using HK local machine software, and then we're going to look for Microsoft, and here we're going to look for Windows. And in Windows, we are going to go ahead and look for current version. All right, there you go. And then here in the current version, we are going to scroll down and look for Explorer. Now that we have clicked Explorer, we are going to create a new folder here, or in this case, a new key. So I'm going to go ahead and right click, use key, and then you are going to type shell icons. Now ensure that the spelling is correct, otherwise this will not work. Now here, I'm going to go ahead and add a string value. It's going to have a 29 or name 29. And then I want you to go ahead and copy and paste this string value. All right. And then hit OK. Now that is done, the next step is we're going to open a task manager. Now in the task manager, I want you to go ahead and look for Windows Explorer. It should be easy since it's yellow. Right click this one, click restart, and there you go. So if, say for example, you're experiencing something like this wherein it turns into black, there's actually a quick fix for that. So let's go ahead and start by adding 1 here, or 51 instead of 50. Now let's go ahead and restart, and boom, there you go. So yeah, that is how you're going to do it. I hope this video helps you out.